Hi! In front of me is Blackview BV6600E, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store and install your new default app. In my case, Opera Mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and choose Home button. Then select Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps and Notifications. Then select Default Apps and click on one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I will go with Browser app, click on my Opera Mini to set it up and simply go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!